Students, today we are going to start our lecture number 12. In this lecture, we shall discuss print media, different types of print media, advantages, disadvantages, and products, body copy, jingles, advertisement, and related things. We know print media is also very common and it's a traditional media. A large number of people are writing in print media, so we cannot ignore it. There are many jobs and freelancers who are working for print media. Let's start our lecture. First of all, we shall discuss what is print media. It means content in the form of printed brochures, hoardings, and posters. Companies use different types of marketing and advertisement techniques to promote their products. Print media is an old form of advertisement, but it is most popular as it reaches huge audience. The primary purpose of print media was to provide information, but now it is a way of marketing and advertisement. Different types of print media. There are different types of print media that target consumers of different segments. It's an inexpensive way of advertisement to target huge population. Some important types of print media are banners or posters, billboards, brochure, flyers. Different types of print media. In this slide, we shall discuss all the types of print media we have seen earlier. We shall go in detail and discuss them. Banners or posters. Banners or posters are used to show your logo, slogan, and message. They are made of cloth or paper. They are also used in exhibitions showing product names and services. They are hung or placed at a place to get attention of passerbys. They are also used in political campaigns. You can put pictures and texts on them according to your desired sizes. Billboards. Nowadays, most of the billboards are digital, but they come under the category of print media. Text and graphics are put to make them appealing for the people. They are installed on fixed locations in huge sizes to make visible from distance. It's a costly form of advertisement in print media. The size of the billboard, location, and duration are the basic factors that accumulate its cost. Brochure. Brochures or pamphlets are provided to the people for takeaway containing the details of companies, their products, and services. It's a way of communication with your potential customers. They are distributed in shops and exhibitions providing the required information such as product or service information, its price, terms, and conditions. Brochures mostly consist of 2 or 3 colorful pages with attractive presentation. They are distributed by mails, by hands, or placed in racks. Flyers. A flyer is also an important type of print media. Large organizations rarely use them, but small setups use this advertisement method to generate business. It should be eye-catching to attract a person. They are distributed by hands at signals, exhibitions, or put on the walls of universities and colleges. It is inexpensive type of advertisement. Advantages of print media. The budget and expenses can be managed while planning of advertisement through print media. Print media is traditional, trusted, and always popular among people. It has a large number of followers. Print media is an easy way to spread news, awareness, or advertisement in a local targeted area. The colorful flyers, brochures, and pamphlets catch attention of the people. Disadvantages of print media. If your target is global market, then print media is not a right choice for you. It has not wider reach as compared to the internet. It is not easy to place advertisement in print media because it requires time and good planning. It is almost impossible in case of tight deadlines. It is difficult to target a particular market in an area because print media, flyers, newspaper, brochures are not available all the time. But you can do it on internet much easily. Mostly your advertisement is lost in newspaper due to editorials and other advertisements. Its lifespan is also short. Products body copy. It is the main text in print matter, advertisement and literature. It has two purposes. It helps to develop the interest of the reader. It helps to remember the name of the product and why do you like it. Start of the body copy is the main text and should follow the headline. It contains details that how the product is useful for you. The details of the product are provided by convincing the reader to take action. It is written in simple and plain text to make it understandable for all kinds of readers. It is mostly written in active voice and the vocabulary used in it is simple. The body copy should be factual and narrative. Jingles and ad content. A jingle is a slogan or short song used for advertisement. It's a good way to remember or keep a service, product or company in mind. Good jingles make them stand out of all the rest. They are of different types such as funny, sentimental and emotional. It is not a magic to write popular jingle, but a good jingle should be timeless, memorable and creative. How to write a catchy jingle. A good jingle should have good tempo, clear imagery, enunciation, emotionally resonant, short and simple, unique, on repeat. Thank you.